Good morning everyone, it's John Neal here, and it's Thursday the 12th of February 2026, and I'm going into town. I've got a short window of opportunity to do something because there is a spectacle on. People are stopping by, taking photographs, little videos on their cameras. It's all wonderful stuff. You know what they're doing? They're demolishing buildings in the middle of town. Yes, they're making some progress with the demolishing of what was the Wilco shop and a tax office next to the Black Swan, which is staying, the pub. There are one or two buildings which are going to stay, which is okay, but there's these great machines chomping and clamping away at the buildings to rip them apart and demolish them, which is fantastic. Incredible. They're like huge dinosaurs. I've done a couple of videos already, but this is just the progress that's being made. And I'll just say now before we get there, I went out yesterday on my bike to do some filming. I won't say it was a disaster. I mean, the bike ride was fine, but I had trouble with the camera to get it to the card, all sorts. I wasn't using the app on the GoPro, but I am now, so I'm all good to go again. And fortunately, the weather, well, it's not raining, let's put it that way, but it's still dull as ditch water, but it's not windy either, so I should be able to make something of taking the drone up and having a look at this demolition that's taking place. Well, here we have it. The great spectacle. That is the demolition taking place in the Nuneaton town centre, and people coming by are just fascinated to stop and have a look at it, but I hope with the drone you can see a bit better view of what's going on. I mean, just from here, look. You can see it all happening. It's fantastic. Those machines are so, like, I'll say it again, they're like great dinosaurs. Probably the best I can do for now. So, yeah, we'll let them get on with it. And I'll keep you informed as to how they're getting on, but they're certainly making a move, and I think they've certainly fenced off these are the sections on the other side of the road, and these will be coming down as well, but not the pub over there. It used to be the Pen and Wig, I think, and as a nightclub it's what's it called, something World, Pop World. It's finished, it's no longer in business, but that is a wonderful building. I mean, look at it stuck on the end there. And fortunately the well, a nice pub, but it's not as spectacular as that over there, the old Pen and Wig, but the Black Swan in hand is staying as well. But the idea is apparently to open up all this vista going from the Justice Centre all the way along here, which is Bridge Street, and the river is down below there, which you can't see, but hoping to make a bit more of it. Okay, that will do for now. Let's see if we can put this together and let you have a look at it and edit it all up. I did have a word with the traffic warden, because I've just parked for half an hour by the library, and he said that was fine. Nice young chap. And I've just spoken to 2 demolition guys as well. Apparently they've come all the way from Kent, would you believe, to work up here, and they're staying in Hinckley. So yeah, quite an operation. And all along here, of course, look, some information about the library, the Nuneaton Library through the years. Opened in 1851, moved various places, and then the new one, look, built in 62, and coming soon is this magnificent thing. So it's all very positive, and let's just hope all the promises are kept and there is some sort of stability in this development that's taking place. Okay, right. Thanks a lot for now. You'll see me in the next video. Okay, bye bye.